Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss a little how to improve your reading skill as a student. We find a student couldn't read the script properly, read the passage, read the text not quite well. So student need to read things properly so that they will be able to understand the topics properly. So most of the cases we find a student are not able to read things properly. So on that particular case, they will find it really difficult. So my suggestion is to read things for every now and then. If you get the opportunity, please read at least 10 to 15 minutes for the first 10 days. And if you continue the journey for 40 to 60 days, you will find that you will be a good reader at the end of the 40 to 60 days. So if you really want to be a good reader of English, you need to develop your reading skill by reading every day for a certain period of time, certain portions of article or newspaper or some text. So if you continue the journey of reading 15 to 20 minutes a day, and if you will be able to continue the journey for 40 to 60 days, you will be able to good reader, good reader of English. So if you can read things properly, you will find English a easier language. If you read the text properly, then you will try to find out the meaning of the text. But if you couldn't be able to read the things properly, it will really be difficult for you to grab the actual meaning of the text. So the first thing is to read the things properly, and then you have to go for the meaning. So if you want to be a good student of English, you have to develop the reading skill first. How you can develop your reading skill? By reading 10 to 15 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes for each and every day. And if you continue the journey for 40 to 60 days, I believe you will be a good reader of English. And in this way, you will be able to understand English well. You will be able to grab the meaning of the text, whatever you are reading. In the beginning, you will find it difficult to read. As a Bengali speaking people, you will find difficult to read things properly in your first experience. So what you need to do, you shouldn't be afraid of reading things. You just read as much as you can. If you couldn't be able to pronounce word properly, please underline them and try to go to dictionary or Google and just write the word or put the word on the search bar and then check the pronunciations. When you click the sound, you will be able to listen the proper, you will be able to hear the proper sound of the word. So in this way you can develop your reading skill. And another way you can develop your skill, that you can take help from your seniors, your teachers, the person who is good at English. And if you really want to develop reading skill, you must need to read at least 15 to 20 minutes a day, and you have to continue the journey for 40 to 60 days. The journey will help you to read things properly, to read your newspaper, to read your English article, to read your English journal properly. It will help you to be a good reader of English, and by doing this you will be a good English reader. And if you will be able to do this, what you will find? You will find reading will be easier task for you. And if you be able to read things properly, then you will look for find out the meaning of that particular text or particular journal or particular newspaper. In this way you can really develop your English reading skill. So as a student, what you need to do, you should be patient, and you should read things regularly. You should read your textbooks, you should read newspaper or any English article or journal. Whatever you will get, just try to read it for 15 to 20 minutes each and every day, and please continue the journey for 40 to 60 days, and I believe you will be a good reader of English. And by doing this, you will do great in English. Thank you very much. If you like my video, please like, comment. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you really like my video. And if you really love my videos, I will promise you that I will upload some other videos on some other issues. Thank you very much for listening. See you. Bye bye.